are in which field? What do we call this as?
Wheat.
Okay. Now can any one of you please let me know what is the first process which takes place for growing wheat? Yes, Alex.
Ma'am, the first process for growing wheat is plowing and tilling.
To prepare the
Prepare the
soil.
soil.
First thing is that we prepare the soil. And the process is called as
The plowing and tilling.
plowing and tilling. While doing plowing and tilling, do we add something in the soil?
Yes, ma'am.
We add organic manure. Basically, here in our school, we add organic manure because we are not using any kind of synthetic fertilizer. We are not using them. In fact, the pesticides, insecticides, whatever we are using to protect our crops, they all are organic. We are not using any chemical, any sort of chemical. Is that clear? Now, okay. So plowing and tilling is done. Now, what is the next step? Yes, Rishi.
The next step is, after this, we will plow and till. Plowing
Again.
and tilling, it will happen again. And after that, we will put seeds.
Okay. We will spread seeds. The process of plowing and tilling takes place at least 2 to 3 times. And just let me know the month in which we start planting. November. It's November. It can be the starting of November also, or it can be end of November. Okay. After how many days we have to water this field? Yes.
Ma'am, 20 to 23 days.
20 to 23 days. How many times do we have to water this?
Ma'am,
3 times during the tenure of how many months?
3 months.
3 to 4 months. Okay. This was for growing crops and taking care of water. Now, what is the next step? Do we spray pesticides and insecticides on it?
No. We put
If we find there are insects in here which can harm our crops, sometimes there are insects which can harm our crops. At that time, we spray insecticides. Sometimes pets can also harm our crops. Sometimes pets can also harm our crops. That time we spray pesticides. अब प्रोटीन प्लांट को क्यों चाहिए? जैसे कि प्लांट के टिश्यूज मेंटेन हो. टिश्यू मेंटेन होने से क्या है? इसका कौन सा टिश्यू दिख रहा है? व्हाट इज इन फॉर्म ऑफ टिश्यूज? इसकी स्ट्रेंथ, इसके अंदर आने वाला जो ग्रेन है वो एक हेल्दी ग्रेन हमें मिल सके. इज दैट क्लियर? लगाने से पहले यहाँ की मिट्टी को कैसे तैयार किया जाता है? अब बताओ आप.
गेहूँ लगाने से पहले मिट्टी तैयार की जाती है ट्रैक्टर से.
ठीक है.
2 बार 3 बार ट्रैक्टर लगेगा, उसको जमीन को छोड़ देते हैं फिर वैसे.
उस प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं प्लॉइंग एंड टिलिंग. प्लॉइंग मीन्स खोदना, टिलिंग मीन्स उस मिट्टी को ऊपर नीचे करना. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दैट एक इक्वल उसमें वो मिक्स हो जाए. अब प्लॉइंग और टिलिंग से पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे जैसे लास्ट जो क्रॉप लगा हुआ था उसके जो लेफ्ट ओवर होता है उसको छोड़ देते हैं, साथ में उसमें कुछ मैन्योर ऐड करते हैं. तो उससे क्या होता है, सॉइल में जितना भी नाइट्रोजन लॉस हुआ होता है, जितना भी नाइट्रोजन कंटेंट पिछले वाले क्रॉप में लिया था, वो नाइट्रोजन की डेफिशिएंसी उसकी कंप्लीट हो जाती है, जिससे कि नेक्स्ट जो क्रॉप ग्रो किया जा रहा है उसको वो प्रॉपर नाइट्रोजन कंटेंट मिले. एटमॉस्फेयर से मिलता है, एटमॉस्फेयर से भी ये नाइट्रोजन को कैप्चर करता है, बट वो नाइट्रोजन इसके लिए सफिशिएंट नहीं होता, तो उसे सॉइल से भी उस नाइट्रोजन को यूज़ करना होता है. नाइट्रोजन बेसिकली क्यों यूज़ होता है? नाइट्रोजन का यूज़ क्या है? जैसे व्हाट आर द 5 बेसिक न्यूट्रिएंट्स फॉर अस? Carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. In the same manner, this is the nutrient. This nitrogen is the nutrient content for the soil. Now, what is its work? Its work is basically हमारे में protein.
इस नंबर को उसमें बीज डाल दिया जाएगा.
मतलब बेसिकली हम नवंबर में लगाते हैं. नवंबर के आखिर के हफ्ते.
हाँ, शुरू में भी लगा सकते हैं, आखिर में भी लगा सकते हैं.
अच्छा,
लगेगी नवंबर में.
ठीक है. अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद में इसकी देख रेख कैसे करते हैं?
देख रहे थे, कुछ नहीं करना है. इसमें हमने समय पर पानी लगाना है. जब देखा कि 22-23 दिन की गेहूँ हो गई, 22-23 दिन के बाद पानी लगेगा.
अच्छा, उससे पहले पानी नहीं लगाएंगे. बस आपने बीज डाला और छोड़ दिया।
छोड़ दिया।
अच्छा, तो मतलब पौधे थोड़ा थोड़ा मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता है।
22-23 दिन का हो जाएगा, उसके बाद पानी लगेगा।
ठीक है।
फिर उसके 22-23 दिन के बाद फिर पानी एक और लगेगा।
अच्छा, हर 20
हाँ।
से 23 डेज के
3
उस पे
पानी
gap।
लगेगा। ट्रैक्टर चला दिया, उसके बाद खाद डाल दिया,
हो गया हमने
गोबर का
बता
खाद
दिया।
डाल दिया।
हाँ,
फिर जमीन को छोड़ दिया जाएगा।
they are not using fertilizer, they are using organic manure. We don't use any fertilizer here, any synthetic fertilizer or anything we don't use here. Basically, whatever we are growing in our school, it's totally organic. Is that clear? We are even using the manure also. Let me know, like when we are spraying insecticides or pesticides on these crops, what precautions do we take?
We have to cover our nose and mouth.
Okay, we are covering our nose and mouth. Why are we covering our nose and mouth?
So we don't inhale the fumes and get diseases.
We do not get any disease. Might be a possibility that we can have some breathing problems. Okay, second, any other reason?
Ma'am, we need to be careful with the soil because when it rains, the water could, the polluted water would go into the fresh water.
It's not polluted water. Basically, it's a water on which the chemicals are there. It can go and mix up with the fresh water and which can contaminate that water also. Okay, so now let's go for harvesting. The question is that why we have to cut it from bottom? Why can't we cut it from the top? What is the reason? Yes, Alex.
Ma'am, because if we cut it from the bottom and cut it from the top, we will lose half of the grain.
Very good. We will lose half of the grain, and from the while cutting from the bottom, the grains are safe enough, and we are getting this place to cut it easily. It can be cut easily. Come on, do it. How he is doing? But you have to apply force on it. Okay? Now,
Girls, do you know what is this thing called what you're holding to cut it?
chalo, keep on moving. Move out.
So everybody is
Very good.
preparing food for lunch, yeah? This is your chapati. You're all going to use this only.
Very good.
Girls are doing a good job, yeah?
Do it, do it. Pull. Very good. Yes, like you people are very small, but these bhaiyas, they are used to of doing this. So when next time, whenever we will be coming and doing all these things, we should apply
Good.
pressure so that it should not harm your heads. Okay? Otherwise, after harvesting, if they go and look at their hands will be, you can find some scratches on their hands. Okay. The next step after harvesting is storing. Look here.
Very good. सबकी होगी?
अगर मिलेगा तो वो वाटर भी polluted हो जाएगा, ठीक है, उसमें भी वो हार्मफुल केमिकल्स चले जाएंगे। क्लियर? अयो रब्बा, ये बच्चों मेरे, ठीक है, ये हो गया, क्लियर हो गया। फास्ट रखते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी में एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है? उससे फैट से, जो स्टोर्ड फैट है। उसी तरह जब हमने सॉइल की प्रिपरेशन की थी, मैन्योरिंग इसमें की थी, फ्लोइंग दोबारा की थी, 2-3 बार हमने इसमें टिलिंग, फ्लोइंग और ये सारा किया था, तो एक स्टोर्ड फॉर्म में वो कहाँ स्टोर हो गया? जो फूड रिक्वायरमेंट है इसका
Underground.
in soil. It was stored in soil. अब slowly through water. What is the use of root? Root hairs के through वो water, mineral salts कहाँ जा रहे हैं हमारे plants के किसके through?
Xylem cells.
Xylem cells, and which are converted into xylem vessels. Those xylem vessels are providing plant to each and every part of this plant. They are providing water to each and every part of plant. And what is providing food to each and every part of plant? Phloem cells, which are converted into phloem vessels. And what action is taking place? Capillary action is taking place. So, for the entire journey of 3 to 4 months, it's only 2 to 3 times we have to water this grain. Is that clear? So now let's go for harvesting.
We want to say goodnight to you.
Look here. Karthike, what are you doing? Beta, hold roots properly. Much better, the hybrid one or the organic one?
The organic ones are more better because you use organic fertilizers, organic manure and everything, while the hybrid ones aren't that good.
So the main is for disadvantage. Child, whatever you use, is it the hybrid variety or something else?
We do not use hybrid varieties. Everything that has been planted over here is all organic.
So what are the plants which you have planted?
So we have eggplant, we have chilies, we have tomatoes, we have capsicums. We have a lot of variety of plants that have been planted.
Stop. Which type of irrigation are you using over here?
Ma'am, we are using drip irrigation, and by using drip irrigation we can save water because we water the plants drop by drop, and that because excess watering can ruin the plant.
Okay, I can see the sprinklers which are red above also. So they also water the plants?
Yes, ma'am.
What about you? Do you have any idea how the manure is prepared over here?
Yes, it is prepared by cow dung, leftover food from our mess, vegetable peels, fruit peels.
So what is the process called as?
It's actually called mulching.
Very good.
All the
vegetables that are grown here, are you people consuming them or they're going out of school? What's happening to these vegetables?
Yes, ma'am. The vegetables which are grown here are consumed in the mess. We always utilize the food which is grown here.
Okay.
And we always consume the fresh and organic veg.